I am Naomi Christina. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today I'll be reviewing this silky straight headband wig from Neo Wigs. Now I've been seeing headband wigs all over YouTube. I'm pretty sure some of you have too. They just look so easy to do and I'm really happy to have my hands on one of these. So if you want to see how I styled this, keep watching. A big thank you to Neo Wigs for sending me the headband wig today. They did give me a discount code which is Naomi15 if you are interested in purchasing this. So they sent me the silky straight human hair wig in 16 inches. It's Vimy hair in 150% density and in an average cap size. They also send you a set of 4 headbands to go with your wig. I chose pack 2, which is the leopard print style. I really like the look of them. They do have different prints to choose from, but you could always use whatever headband you own. My first impressions of this wig is that it's super soft and thick, which I am happy about. It comes with a headband at the front, as you can see, so no lace at all, which is so perfect, nothing to fiddle around with. So in terms of the structure of this wig, this is how it looks like inside. It does come with 4 combs. So you have 1 right at the top, 2 at the side, and 1 right at the bottom to secure your wig. It also comes with the adjustable hooks, as you can see. And something a little different to other wigs, this does come with Velcro right at the end of your headband to secure it even tightly. And the Velcro is pretty strong, which is great. So a lot of you guys know that I cut all my hair off and it's growing pretty quickly. It has already been moisturized. I'm just going to start combing my hair back. I have already put some mousse at the front of my hair and now I'm going to put the wig on. So first I'm just going to adjust the hooks. And I'm going to make it quite tight because I want it to be nice and snug. So I'm going to hook them on there. Now you can wear your headband all the way forward if you want to, but I want to place mine a little bit to the back so I can do some baby hairs after. Okay, so I'm just going to pull that all the way to the front. And just make sure the back is secured. Now for the front, I'm going to drag it midway around here. Just fit that comb in there. It doesn't matter if your hair gets messed up at the front, you can always fix it, but yeah, put the side comb there and another right there. Okay, so I'm just going to push that back. Like so. And make sure all my hair is tucked in at the back, at the sides. The Velcro is now hooked. This is looking pretty cute. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how easy this is to do. And it doesn't feel like it's pulling on like my hair that much, just because of these other 2 combs. If it was that middle comb alone, then yeah, that would be really bad, but it feels really good. This wig is so beautiful. I just love how there's no lace, because that is my problem, especially when you're going to work and you've got to fiddle around or make sure that it blends. And also all this glue, all this hairspray, it's really killing my edges. Like I was growing my hair back, and from the wig I just took off, like it's just looking a little bit thin than it was before, which is really annoying. So this is really good for me. So I'm gonna style my edges now. I've been using mousse more often now and I just really like how it molds my hair, so I'm just gonna start pulling out some hair, some here. Put some mold in my hair. Going in, I've got to be hair gel because my mousse is just not doing it today for some reason. So probably because my hair is growing. So I've just done my edges and so far I am loving this wig, and the fact that there's nothing stuck to my edges is so good. Yeah, so far I'm really liking it. I think it looks really natural. Now I'm going to straighten it and make it look nice and slick. It is tight, so I'm just going to start at the back. Okay, I'm definitely going to have to use my hot comb because there are some like little tufts sticking up at the top there that we need to get rid of, so let me get that. Put some loose in there to make sure everything is laid. There we go. Cut it under like that. Usually after you straighten your hair with some brands, it starts to look a little bit thin, but this has remained thick. I love the bounce of this hair and it just looked really natural to me. Like even when I turn to the side, I would actually think that is my hair. Like someone would actually think it's my hair. It looks like it's coming out from my scalp. Like it looks beautiful. So beautiful. And my hands literally run through. Yay! Yay! So I'm gonna stop playing with it now and I'm gonna try it on the headbands that they gave me. So these are the headbands out of the packet and I'm gonna put them on for you guys now.
Yeah. Not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me.
So this is the first headband. It covers pretty good. As you can see, the front is nice and covered. It's a little bit shown at the back, but that's nothing big. These bands will cover up that Velcro right at the back. This is band 1.
I say you did the wrong thing, did it for the wrong reasons, kept on going, wrong direction, went into deep at first. Take what you need.
This is band 2.
After this, I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all.
This is band 3.
This is my win. I don't even care.
I like this, it's really pretty. This is band number 4.
So much of us going away.
I really like how this looks.
Please wake me up.
If you do like this leopard print style like me, this is pack 2. Also, you don't have to wear your wig just like this. You can play around with styling. So I'm going to do like a half up, half down look.
Keep on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need. Trying to guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe.
There are different ways you can style this, and this is really nice.
This is my win. I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me.
You can also put the whole thing into a ponytail and just use your headbands to cover where the wig is lifting. And also I love a good ponytail swing walking down the street or talking, like, I'm joking. But yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, this wig is very versatile. As you can see, you can do a lot with it, especially if you play around. So my thoughts on this wig: I really like the texture of the actual hair, really silky, really soft, as I said before. The only thing that I do wish is that the Velcro at the back was a little bit longer, just so it fits a little bit more snug, but the headbands do cover that, and even if you're not wearing your actual headband, the hair does cover that as well, so it's still a positive. But most importantly, I love how simple this is, just to put on and go, whether that be going to work or maybe grocery shopping or just doing errands, whatever it is, you can just pop this on and go. You don't have to go as far as I did in terms of baby hairs. That is what attracted me to this wig and is why I do recommend it to you guys. I do have a discount code. It is Naomi15 for you to get some money off. Also, this headband wig does come in different hair lengths, and it also comes with different curl patterns such as kinky, curly, or body wave. As I said, I want something really quick, so this is why I chose straight, but you can always check out the rest of them. But yes, it is beautiful, and overall I am fully satisfied. So guys, that was the end of my video. I really hope you liked this one. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell to be notified when I post next. Bye my lovelies.
Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you.